So it does not feel like fall yet. Well, in this video, I'm going to be discussing why everything's still slightly August will put many reports of the Central US and when it falls will arrive. So, first of all, in this video, I'm going to be trying a Farmers River high anomaly that's going to be showing a lot of regions that will be in place of parts of the Southwest, the Central US, and even parts of the Southeast, and even parts, a little bit parts of the Ohio Valley. Along with that, how much rain we're going to see. So, looking at this map, it's showing that we're going to see a decent amount of rain with parts of the northeast as that cold front comes through, but it's only going to flake fall with parts of the northeast, rain with parts of the southeast, and Charleston with parts of the southeast. And all that, a cold front comes through, it's only going to feel cool with parts of the northeast, but Central is going to be warmer than average. And looking at this, looking at the Farmers Bar high anomaly, showing a lot of regional parts of Central US. So that's why it's going to be feeling like August. So let's get right into the video. Alright everybody, so now let's get right into the video. So you're probably wondering where it's fall at, and I got my wrong thing pulled on. It's not the chart, this is the US weather forecast. So you're probably wondering, guys, where it's fall at. So yes. So first of all, guys, we're going to be tracking, and please don't take a long time. Oh goodness, it's going to take a while. So you can see, guys, right now, when we're going to see our first cold front, when we're going to see our first cold Arctic blast this year, well, it's coming, guys, but this cold front won't do it enough. It won't bring fall in enough, but it will bring snowfall for some people. So you can see cold front coming through. It will make its way down towards the southeast U.S. and the eastern U.S. and it do got some cold temperatures behind it. But what's going to happen, guys, is it's not going to be cold for everybody. Everybody's not going to get the fall. It's going to actually be cold for some people. The eastern U.S. is going to be cooler, while the central U.S. and the western U.S. in the sunny and south central U.S. and the southwest is going to be warmer. I can tell you why it's going to be much warmer. Because when you look at the... So now let's get right towards this. So looking at our 500 millibar, not 500 millibar, looking at a 6 hour precip, you see the cold front making its way through. But what's going to happen is you have to see a ridge of high pressure that starts building up with parts of the northeast. Understand what ridge of high pressure, the winds spin clockwise, so the winds are doing this. And when winds are doing this, it's bringing all that cold air down from Canada for parts of the Carolinas and the south and eastern seaboard. So that's gonna make that's what's gonna make temperatures feel like fall. But in the upper side of the ridge, you got winds doing this, coming from the south, going towards the north. So that's gonna pull a lot of warm air from the south towards the north and keeping temperatures above average for parts of the central U.S. and the southwest. And you also got another ridge right here that's in the western U.S. that's going to be keeping temperatures pretty warm back there. So that's what's going to be happening. Then by the time we get in towards Friday, the cold will make its way through. And look at this, guys. You see that? A chocolate system will probably need to be watching pretty soon. And it does get pretty deep, so it gets down to 980, 990 mile bars. So yeah, pretty decent chocolate system right there. But some more storms moving towards the west, even some snow for parts of the Rockies and the mountains. Now see right to the 500 bar height anomaly. Look at our 500 bar height anomaly. You can see. I'm gonna check it. Alright everybody, sorry about that. I had to cut out because I had to make sure my recording was working right. But let's get back towards the video. So right now, we're looking at our Firesboro height anomaly. So look at our Firesboro height anomaly wind height. You'll see there comes a chart that makes its way towards the eastern U.S. That's going to bring cool temperatures. And at that, here comes our ridge that's going to be in place for parts of the parts of the southwest, parts of the central U.S., and parts of the southeast getting that region proper pressure. So that's going to be keeping temperatures above average. Now for that, it comes out to try and moves through the west. Looking at 500 bar height anomaly, you can see regional parts of the upper Midwest and upper U.S. and upper Ohio Valley getting out of original parts of the west. Then that trough they're going to start getting some trough that start coming to the west, but up towards North Canada, go get some ridge and back down towards southeast. You're going to get some tropical weather. Now let's get right towards temperatures. Temperatures are going to be pretty warm until we get in towards the 11 and 12. By the time we get towards 11 and 12, you can see parts of the southeast in the morning temperatures are going to be in the upper 50s and low 60s. Now looking at our average anomaly, see, below average anomaly starts kicking in by the time we get towards the 8, lasts all the way through the 12 and the 13. For parts of the southeast, anywhere from 17 to 19 degrees below average. But the central U.S. can be warmer and the western U.S. can be cooler. Because of that, guys, the western U.S. will be cooler, the central U.S. and the eastern U.S. will be in Ohio Valley and the southeast will be warmer. But above average precipitation for parts of the above average for parts of the southwest. Upper Midwest, Central U.S., above average precipitation, below average precipitation for parts of the southeast and south central, above average precipitation for parts of the northeast and eastern seaboard. 8 to 14 day outlook with the whole U.S. up the west U.S. going to see above average temperatures and equal chances for parts of the central U.S. and southeast, below average precipitation for parts of Texas, above average precipitation for parts of the Pacific Northwest, above average precipitation for parts of Maine, and above average precipitation for parts of Florida. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in this video. Peace.